Welcome to TechieHubTube, where we provide simple and useful tutorials on PC, software, mobile apps, and the newest AI tools. Our goal is to help you learn faster, solve common tech problems, and use your apps more effectively. If you enjoy clear and practical tutorials, consider subscribing. Let's continue. Let's start by accessing Google Vids from your browser. Open Google Chrome or any browser. In the search bar, type Google Vids and press enter. Click on the official link. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. If not, sign in first before continuing. Now you are inside Google Vids and ready to begin. Before using Google Vids, there is one important thing you need to know. Google Vids may not be available on all accounts yet. It works mainly with Google Workspace accounts. If you don't see it, try switching accounts or check availability. Always use a stable internet connection for smooth performance. Understanding this will save you time and confusion. Now, let's understand the Google Vids interface. At the center, you will see your video canvas. On the left side, you have media and scenes. On the right side, you have editing options like layout and design. At the top, you will find controls like preview, record, and export. Knowing these sections will help you work faster and more confidently. Next, let's learn how to move inside your project. Click on different scenes to switch between them. Use the left panel to organize your scenes. You can add new scenes or delete existing ones. Try clicking around to get familiar with the layout. Practice simple navigation to become more comfortable using the tool. Now, create your first project. Click on Blank Video. A new project will open. You can now start adding scenes, text, and media. This is where your video creation begins. You are now ready to build your first video step by step. Today, you learned how to access and set up Google Vids and understand its basic interface. At TechieHubTube, we help you learn faster and use technology more effectively. Subscribe for more tutorials, and in the next video, we will create your first video step by step. Thanks for watching.